everybody. Today we're going to make green smoothie. So what you will need is you need a grinder. You'll need roasted flax seeds. You'll need like 1 spoon of them for 1 person, but I'm making it for 2. But I'm going to show you for 1. And you'll need 1 spoon of chia seeds, a cup of water, nuts. I'm going to add almonds, pistachios, walnuts, and that's it. And you need a spoon of honey, some spinach, and half apple for 1 and half banana for 1. So first I'm going to start with taking the grinder and putting the spinach inside. I'm just going to take like 1 full spoon. Okay. And now I'm going to cut my apple, half apple, into small pieces. Okay, and now I'm going to put it inside. Next, I'm going to peel half of the banana and put it. Okay, I'm just going to make it in pieces so it grinds fast. Uh-oh. So now it's time to add this nuts and seeds. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 spoon. 1 spoon of chia seeds. And I'm gonna add a spoon of honey. Uh-oh, this honey's not coming off. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the nuts. And for the pistachios, you need to peel them. After you added the nuts, you can add a cup of water. You don't need any milk because it's just a juice. So now you can grind it. Time to taste it. It's very yummy. Okay, so bye-bye.